Hi guys, we've just released new ISOs for Sway, Hyperlink and Wayfire, and it seems I need to make a little introduction video for one of them. Pywal is great, but Pywal needs something in here. It needs at least to run once, and then it gets this, right? It creates all of this, and you can use any of these guys for any of the applications that there are. As you can see, there is Kitty here, a reference to Kitty, to Umox, to Putty, etc. And we're using this one. If this one is not present, then that one will never work. So if you click on this particular thing and this folder is empty, it tries to read something that's not there. So the first thing you need to do if you want to apply the Pywal is alt+shift-N. So let me give an example. So if after a clean installation, right, this does not exist, we don't put that there, it's a cache. So if you say I want to have this one and then go for here, it says no bar. And you think it's broken. In a sense, yes, but there's nothing we can do about it. I mean, it searches for a folder that's not there. So alt+shift-N, you launch variety, you launch wall, and there you go. He creates all of this for you, and suddenly you have a beautiful system. All right, so that's the caveat. That's something to remember. It's just logic if someone explains it to you, but it's important, otherwise you'll say, hey, it's broken, and it's not. Cheers.